My name is Ian Montague, and my company, Montague Consulting, has been fortunate to be involved in preparing an Organisational Development Toolkit for Queensland's community services sector. Queensland's community service organisations know that the way they respond to the opportunities and challenges facing the sector will ultimately determine their success. This introduction to the Organisational Development Toolkit will assist you to understand not only its structure, but how you might use it and why. As identified by the quotes, change is always with us. From Socrates to Obama, Darwin to Deming, it would be fair to say that change is always present and always occurring. In Queensland today, our communities, our governments and the community service industry will need to change as we seek to meet the opportunities and challenges of the future. So what are these changing opportunities and challenges impacting the sector? A few overarching examples include demographic change, such as the increasing population size, and of course, the ageing population. Structural reform changes, many of which are driven by the impact of globalisation. Australia continues to move from an agricultural and manufacturing economy to a service and knowledge economy. Policy changes, such as important reforms being formulated and implemented in areas like disability service provision, child safety and homeless, to mention a few. And finally, changes in expectations. Australians' expectations about the type of service offered, along with the standard and the value of such service, continues to rise. With these changes, future success will mean different things for different organisations, but it is likely to include delivering high quality services to highly satisfied customers in an organisational model that has capacity to adapt, grow and achieve its outcomes. One way to prepare for the future will be for community service organisations to undertake organisational development, which is a planned, systematic approach to improving organisational effectiveness. It involves aligning an organisation's strategy, people and processes to deliver a valued vision. A significant part of any organisational development is the business model. The business model describes how an organisation creates and delivers value, be it economic, social, cultural, or any other forms. In many cases, the opportunities and challenges will require organisations to adjust their business model to meet changing expectations. This Organisational Development Toolkit is aimed at supporting organisations within the Queensland community service sector to plan for future business success by undertaking a critical assessment of their readiness. The toolkit is made up of 3 tools designed to assist any community service organisation, irrespective of their location, size, type of service provision or their history. It will help organisations navigate their way through sector reform in their own unique context. Each of the 3 tools have their own purpose. Tool A is a strategic challenge questions. With a focus on a high-level strategy and future opportunities, this tool questions are designed to assist a community service organisation to challenge its understanding of its environment. The tool is aimed at the organisation's leadership, which may include board members, executive staff, and relevant experts, be they internal or external. Tool B is an investigative tool and looks at strategic capability. It will assist an organisation to investigate their business model suitability to meet the challenges of today and the opportunities of tomorrow. Tool B includes transformational areas of capability. These capabilities are essential to any organisation. Each must be designed and managed with care and diligence. All are interrelated, with changes in one potentially affecting the others, as indicated by the cogs. Tool C assists with strategy development and strategy implementation. Tool C guides the organisation to use the information gathered in Tool B to develop an action plan based on an assessment of urgency and importance. Repeating after a period, Tool C also assists in determining progress in the chosen path. As each organisation varies in size, existing capability, strategy, design and direction, the extent to which the toolkit can be used and applied is dependent on the uniqueness of the organisation. It is recommended that users exercise their own skill and diligence with respect to the use of this tool and carefully evaluate the accuracy, completeness and relevance of the material. Where necessary, organisations may need to obtain appropriate professional advice relevant to their particular circumstances. By using the tools within the toolkit, either individually or collectively, organisations can expect the following outcomes: greater shared understanding and awareness of opportunities and challenges facing the organisation, improved strategy design and implementation, better strategy prioritisation and use of organisation resources, and improved outcomes, performance for all stakeholders, including clients, staff, funders, and the broader community. We recommend that if you use this toolkit, that you read the toolkit to become familiar with the content and basic structure. There is significant commentary within the toolkit to assist with using and understanding the process. Consider who needs to be involved in completing each tool, ensuring you have access to a diversity of experience, knowledge, and organisational roles. Be honest. If in doubt, score yourself low. Use the results strategically to ensure organisational focus and results. And access the modules and resources on the Sector Readiness Clearinghouse to assist you in implementing your prioritised actions. I sincerely recommend the Organisational Toolkit to you and wish your organisation strategic success in your future. Thank you.